Hey guys, in this video, we will see how to buy USDT on crypto.com. First, launch the DeFi Wallet app on your phone. Once you reach here, create your new wallet. Next, agree to the terms of services and privacy notices. Now continue it and it will make your new wallet here. In the next step, tap on Buy shown here. After that, search for USDT and select it. Then choose the amount and hit the next button. Next, you will see your added amount and the amount that you will receive in USDT. Now enter your email address and continue it. After that, it will send you the 6-digit code in the provided email. Then, enter the code and give your personal information, which includes your name, date of birth, and country. In the next step, continue it and choose Google Pay to pay with. In this way, you will confirm your order. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.